The full bank office VoIP network step by step. In a CCNA lab, you configure IP phones step by step. But in real enterprises, this process is automated. Let me walk you through both. Step 1. Understand the topology. We have a router, a switch, PCs, and IP phones. IP phones are endpoints that rely on the network for power, IP addressing, and call control. Switch 2 commands: enable, config T, interface range phase 0 over 1 to 3, switch port voice VLAN 1, INT VLAN 1, no shutdown. In CCNA, we separate traffic using VLANs. Data VLAN for user traffic. Voice VLAN for phone traffic. Now we configure the switch. We create 2 VLANs, one for data and one for voice. Router 2 commands: enable, config T, INT FA0. IP address 10.1.1.255.255.0, no shutdown. IP phones are endpoints that rely on the network for power, IP addressing, and call control. IP DHC P-pool voice. Network 10.1.1.0, 255.255.0. Default router 10.1.1.1. 10.1.1.1.1. Del no shutdown. IP phones are endpoints that rely on the network for power, IP addressing, and call control. Der 10.1.1.1.0, 255 VV at 5.25 1.1.0 1.1.0 2555.25 5.5.1. Number 1003. Do WR. Phone boots process. Gets IP from DHCP. Receives TFTP server. Option 150. Downloads config. Registers with call manager. Once registered, phones receive extensions and are ready to communicate. Registration confirms the phone can send and receive VoIP traffic. We test connectivity by making a call between devices. In real companies, this is automated using platforms like Cisco DNA Center. No manual command line interface. No manual VLAN assignment. No manual extensions. CCNA teaches you the foundation. But real enterprise networking is about automation, scalability, and design. That's the difference between configuring networks and engineering them.